Can you see this big snail? This is, I guess, snail at the back of my house. Let's see how big it is. We get snail always. Ibadan, ọmọ àjẹgbín yó, ọmọ àjẹgbín jẹ karahun, ọmọ fi karahun fi fọkùn mu. You can use any of these to wash your snail. You can use either your Garri. You can use your Garri if you have your Garri in abundance. This is my salt. You can also use salt to wash your snail. So this is my lemon. And as you can see, lemon is the best ingredient to use in washing of your snail. It removes the slime easily. So I would prefer using my lemon. If you also have lime, you can also use lime. I'm going to be breaking the shell. Then if I'm going to be breaking the shell, I'm going to start from the small side, the small portion. That is where I'm going to start to break the shell. Then after breaking the shell, I'll remove the meat, which is the real snail from the meat. So let me show you how I'm going to break my shell. So you can get a small rock. If you have a small rock around your house, just give it a little. After breaking, just put them and remove the intestine. Just remove the intestine. Please be careful with your hand. Now you can see the slime. You can see the slime. So this is the intestine that I'm removing. Removing all the intestine, that's the dirty part. And please be careful with your hand because of the shell. They are very sharp. Don't forget to So can you see the slimy? Can you see? My hand is so slimy. So this is what I'm going to wash out from my snail. So this is it. I'm going to. All you just do is just to make sure, especially the lips, in between the lips, you use it to squeeze it. Just make sure you squeeze them, and as you do this, you're going to feel the slime getting away from it. I don't want to stress myself, you know. Sometimes those small snails, I also make use of them. If they are much, I get them. You can, if you see my hand, I don't have any slime. Using the line to you take it one by one and make sure you wash every part. You can see everywhere. Pick them randomly. You can see my cutting it into two. You can see. For me to wash it properly, if you don't wash it into two, you're still going to have some slime inside, so you just be careful. Cutting the lips into two. If you don't cut it into two, you are still going to have your snail is going to be slimy when you are eating it. So I'll cut it into two equal parts. For proper washing, so you can see, and it's still slimy. I'll do that to all. And snail has a lot of health benefits. The snail is not just for the consumption of just the meat alone. It has great lot of benefits once you eat snail. Its proteinous level is high. So I've cut them. So I'm going to use my alum to wash inside. After I've opened it, you see it is opened now. So I'm going to use my alum. Alum works better once you've opened it to have a perfect. So I'll make sure the inside is not slimy. The lips, they are always slimy, so try as much as possible to use my alum. You don't really need much alum since we've used our lime. Then I've soaked it inside my alum initially, so most of them are clean. I just want to do a double shake up because I don't want to have a slimy snail. So my alum, I don't like using much alum. So I'm going to be scraping the lips. Please, if you don't scrape the lip, no matter how hard you wash it with lime, lemon, you're going to have slimy. So I'm going to scrape it. So you scrape the outer lips gently, either big or small. Just make sure you scrape it. Can you see? Can you see what? So it's good you scrape your snail. You do that for all the snail. You scrape their lips. Even you're going to get, you can see these lips now, like it's white after scraping out. Be careful when you're scraping. Scrape it. Even with my washing with the lime, washing with the alum, I'm still having a slimy, the snail is still slimy. So, but with the scraping, just scrape the lips. You see, it's going to have a very dirty slime. That you have to wash out the alum. You shouldn't taste alum in your. So to wash is very easy. Just make sure you wash it, squeeze it. Even if it's big, very small, you use the same method for them. And as you can see, I can't feel any shell in my snail. So enjoy your snail. Can you see how much we enjoy snail here in Ibadan? You just go around and you pick your snail without buying. Then I say a very big thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.